Hey everyone, this is Activist Victor, and today we're going to be reviewing another hand on Betonline. In this hand, I show up with Ace-King. Okay, a few callers before me. I decide that 9 is the appropriate size to raise. Get a couple folds. Perky Omen, the same guy that I've played against with the Kings before, decides to just call. Roz calls. He folds. And then we get a very nice flop of Ace-King. I don't have any problem with the way the hand was played so far. We get a bet, a fold, and I decide that I'm just going to call to set the trap. 5 hits, possible straight, but it's rather unlikely. He bets a small amount. I re-raise because in case he has a draw, I want to make him pay, and just if he has a decent hand, I want to get some money in there. And then here's where things start to go a little bit crazy. Wasn't expecting that. And then and here's probably where I could have played the hand a little bit better. I mean, I tanked for a little bit and ended up calling. And as it turns out, that was the right decision. But I think that I probably should have given this guy, I probably should have just thought about his range a little bit more. I didn't think he had the straight, but I thought maybe he had a set. And I think the mentality of this hand is too strong to fold crossed my mind here. And I don't know. Maybe it was. Top 2 pair is a really strong hand, but set's a little bit stronger. And he might have played pocket 4s or pocket 4s the same way. And he might have even played kings the same way, to be honest. Although that's a little bit discounted because there's only 2 kings left in the deck. And that being said, I mean, you know, yeah, you might think, oh, that's crazy. He'd re-raise with kings. But this is the same guy that we saw limp under the gun with kings before. So I'm not saying that he wouldn't re-raise with kings here. It'd actually be an interesting call. But, you know, I think it's possible he just calls there as well. And maybe with aces too. Because if he didn't raise kings under the gun, that's kind of a fishy move. And if he had a reason, that's fine. But if that could also be just how he normally plays. In which case, getting it in with ace-king here is a really bad move. As it worked out fine. But I don't know. This is an example of why you don't play when you're tired. You make decisions based on the strength of your hand without really giving your opponent the proper consideration of what they could have. And that being said, it was the right call. I did end up splitting the pot because he had the same hand I did. And really, in all fairness, it is kind of difficult to fold top 2 pair there. Especially when you don't think the guy has the straight and there's not a whole lot else that makes sense. But I think in the future, I just need to think about this a little bit more. And if I call, I want to make sure it's for the right reasons. So in any case, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.